time to drop.
Welcome back to the Hennisphere, everyone. Today is August 30th, 2019. I am coming to you from SeaWorld San Antonio, and it's time for a 2020 wooden roller coaster construction update. This won't be necessarily a vlog, just a construction update, but I do have big news to start off with. So I was at Fiesta Texas last night for the 2020 preview, and in order to get into that, I had to buy a new Diamond Elite membership. That means I am locked in to Six Flags for another year. I will be bringing you Fiesta Texas updates probably once a week, somewhere around there. So for all of you that have been following the Joker updates, I will continue to bring you updates from Fiesta Texas. Now, SeaWorld was closed all week until today because school is back in session, and it's going to continue like this for the month of September, except for Labor Day on Monday. So this weekend is a holiday. The park will be operating at normal hours, but then it's going to be open Saturday, Sunday only for the rest of the month. And then in October for Hollow Scream, it's going to be open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, be closed Monday through Thursday. But with that said, here is your update on the 2020 wooden roller coaster. And last time I brought you this footage or an update, they had not said anything about it. But since then, they have released 2 teasers. So we know the wooden roller coaster announcement is coming soon. It looks really decent.
Yeah.
Super decent.
Yeah.
That's going to be it for the construction update here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Check back next week for more footage and progress, and stay tuned for more coaster rankings, because I'm in the middle of ranking all of the Fiesta Texas roller coasters. Those will finish up on Monday, and after that there will be different coasters ranked. Anyway, so sorry to Ohio Valley Coasters, because I am using an iPhone, but maybe I'll get a better camera someday. That was another day in the Hennisphere.